Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain about how to trade with a bot in Bank Nifty futures and option. So today we are trading with futures. So as of now market is in downtrend. So we are selling here. Okay. So now let's set profit to 1 lakh here. So today we are trading with 40 lots. Okay. So we have set profit to 1 lakh here. So as of now we have 3,500 loss. The market price is 37,827. Okay, so now let's set stop loss to 1 lakh. So which means 1:1 ratio. So stop loss is 1 lakh. So here we have set both stop loss and target in 1:1 ratio. So this Robo is working based on scalping and straddle. If you get the buy signal feature, then call option go for buy. If you get the sell signal feature, then put option go for buy. And most of the time we can finish our trade before 30 minutes. Let's see how long it takes today. And using this Robo, you can do your own strategy also. It will be very useful for working professionals. So they don't need to watch the market. So based on the given conditions, it will trade automatically. So once it reaches target or stop loss, so Robo will stop automatically. So this is our new channel. Already we have another channel name called Beta Traders and Big Bull Traders. So we are using this Robo almost more than 2 years. So you can check the past performance in those channels, Big Bull Traders and Beta Traders. So as of now we have 6,000 profit. And we are planning to make a video every day for the bank nifty futures or option. So just subscribe our channel to get the regular updates. So as of now we have 13,000 profit. So 18,000 here, 21,300. So it has taken sell entry, you can see here 37,824.1 selling price. So the time is 1:19 and we have 13,000 profit here. So now we have 4,800 loss. So each 1 point movement or profit or loss will be 800 since we are trading with 40 lots. So now we have 500 profit, you can see here. So now 2000. So now the market price is 37,826. So now we have 6,000 loss almost. So now we have 10,000 profit. So almost 22,000 now. So now it's almost 83,000 here. So 92,000. So it has reached our target now. You can see here. Okay, so we made 1,03,100 rupees profit in banknote futures today. So let's see the order book now. So first we sold futures at 37,824.1 and we squared off at 37721 at 126. You can see the price and time of the execution price here. So today our overall profit is 1,03,100. So if you have an inquiry about this Robo, you can WhatsApp number shown on the screen. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe our channel to get the updates. Thank you.